Front high vowels, E versus I. English has two front high vowels, E and I. They are produced at the front part of the tongue. The vowel E is made with the highest tongue elevation, and so the mouth is almost closed without lips touching each other. English natives call the vowel E the long E sound. It is the most frontal vowel, making it a tense vowel. The other front high vowel, I, is made with the front part of the tongue lowered slightly but not quite to the mid position. The mouth is slightly open, so I is called the mid-high front vowel. Also, the vowel is made slightly towards the central part of the mouth, making it a lax vowel. Being able to pronounce E and I correctly is very important since there are many parable words that sound the same except for the vowel sounds. And some of these include swear words, bitch versus beach, piss versus peace, shit versus sheet. Non-native speakers may have experienced saying something like, I like to go to the bitch, I hope for world piss, and where can I buy a bedsheet? The correct pronunciations are these. I like to go to the beach. I hope for world peace. Where can I buy a bedsheet? As stated earlier, the main distinction between E and I is tenseness. E is a tense vowel. To produce this tense E sound, slightly draw the lips back and raise the back of the tongue. By contrast, I is a lax vowel. To produce the I sound, the tongue is high, but the rest of the vocal tract is relaxed. Just let the air come out from the lungs. The mouth is more open for I. Let's begin with words with these phonemes. E words. Several different letter combinations can make the tense E sound. We categorize words with the E sound by their letter combinations. With the letters EA, beach, bead, beat, bleach, breathe, cheat, clean, cream, creature, deal, dream, each, eagle, easy, eat, heal, heat, increase, increase, jeans, leader, leaf, lean, leave, meal, mean, meat, pea, peach, peak, please, reach, read, repeat, reason, reveal, scream, see, seal, seat, steal, steam, stream, teach, team, treat, week. With the letters EE, agree, between, keep, feel, feet, fleece, free, meet, need, see, seam, street, week, apogee, bumblebee, employee, honeybee, jubilee, lee, manatee, pedigree, refugee. With the letter E, even, region, theme, complete. With the letters IE, achieve, believe, brief, chief, field, peace. With the letter I, police, Luis, Clarice. With the letters EO, people, I words. These are words with the lax I sound. With the letter I, begin, did, in, it, is, his, him, interest, kit, little, sit, six, Swiss, this, will, with the letter Y, crystal, him, physics, rhythm, symbol, symmetry, symptom, typical. With the letter U, busy, business. With the letter O, women. E versus I, minimal pairs. These are minimal pair words for I versus E. The first word of each pair has the lax I, and the second word has the tense E sound. Bit, beat. Bitch, beach. Bin, bean. Bid, bead. Biz, bees. Chick, cheek. Chit, cheat. Chip, cheap. Did, deed. Dip, deep. Fist, feast. Fill, feel. Fit, feet. Gin, gene. Grid, greed. Grin, green. Hid, heed. Hill, heel. Hit, heat. His, he's. Hip, heap. Ill, eel. Is, ease. It, eat. Itch, each. Kid, keyed. Kip, keep. Knit, neat. Lick, leak. Lip, leap. Mill, meal. Pick, peak. Piss, peace. Piss, peace. Pitch, peach. Pill, peel. Risen, reason. Sit, seat. Slip, sleep. Still, steal. Shit, sheet. Sick, seek. Sin, seen. Sin, seen. Still, steal. Sell, seal. Sim, seam. Skid, skied. Skim, scheme, till, teal, tin, teen. E versus I in sentences. The following sentences have words with the tense E sound. Please leave the scene after you each eat. There are heaps of eels swimming deep at the beach. These pieces are cheap, so they leak. The teen peeled a heap of peaches for her meal. He was seen stealing a sheet. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. The following sentences have the I sound. Fill it with chips. A tick bit the kid, making him ill. I am itching to lick the icicle. I will fill the tin with pills. The dill on the hill could fill a whole bin. The following sentences have both sounds. I grin when I find green beans in the sale bin. Grin versus green, bin versus bean. This chip is delicious and cheap. Eat it. Chip versus cheap, it versus eat. I need to sit in the seat because my feet do not fit in these shoes. Sit versus seat, fit versus feet. We each had an itch to take a dip in the deep sea. Itch versus each, dip versus deep.